Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Windsurf Wave 4, the latest update to the AI native IDE that's taking the developer world by storm. If you're a developer, coder, or just someone who loves tech, this video is for you. We'll break down everything you need to know about Wave 4, its new features, advantages, and even a few drawbacks. Let's get started. What is Windsurf Wave 4? First, let's talk about what Windsurf Wave 4 is. Windsurf is an AI native IDE designed to make coding faster, smarter, and more intuitive. With each wave, Windsurf introduces a set of major feature releases, and Wave 4 is no exception. This update marks a turning point for Windsurf. It's no longer just catching up to the competition, it's leading the industry. Wave 4 is packed with features that streamline the coding process, reduce friction, and help developers stay in the flow state. Let's unpack some of the highlights. Key features of Windsurf. Wave 4. Here are the key features of Windsurf Wave 4 that you need to know about. 1. Previews. One of the biggest pain points for developers is iterating on apps. With previews, you can now point and click on components in your app to make changes directly. It also automatically pulls console errors, so you don't have to manually copy-paste them. Previews work with most web projects, including React, and are optimized for Chromium-based browsers. 2. Tab to import. This feature lets you use the tab key to add imports to the top of files when a new dependency is used. It's a small but powerful addition that saves time and keeps you in the flow. 3. Linter integration. Cascade, Windsurf's AI assistant, now uses linter errors as a signal to fix generated code automatically. If Cascade generates code with lint errors, it will fix them without charging extra flow action credits. Suggested actions. Cascade can now suggest next steps during coding sessions, helping you stay in the flow and reducing decision fatigue. 5. MCP discoverability. Wave 4 improves the discoverability of MCP servers, making it easier to find and use them directly in the IDE. 6. Drag and drop files. You can now drag and drop files into the Cascade input box, attaching them as context for your prompts. 7. Admin control for model options. Administrators can now centrally set the availability of different AI models for their organization, ensuring compliance with internal guidelines. 8. Claude 3.7 Sonnet improvements. Windsurf has optimized its integration with Claude 3.7 Sonnet, reducing unnecessary tool calls and maximizing the model's strengths. 9. Referral program. Windsurf has officially launched a referral program so you can earn rewards by inviting friends and coworkers to try the platform. Advantages of Windsurf. Wave 4. Now let's talk about the advantages of Windsurf Wave 4. 1. Reduced friction. Features like previews and tab to import eliminate manual steps, making coding faster and more intuitive. 2. AI-powered assistance. With Cascade and its new linter integration and suggested actions, Windsurf helps you write better code with less effort. 3. Enterprise ready. The new admin controls and MCP discoverability make Windsurf a great choice for teams and organizations. Improved model support, optimizations for Claude 3.7 Sonnet ensure you're getting the best results from your AI models. 5. Community engagement. The new referral program rewards users for spreading the word about Windsurf, fostering a strong community. Disadvantages of Windsurf Wave 4. Of course, no tool is perfect. Here are some potential drawbacks of Windsurf Wave 4. 1. Browser limitations. While previews work with most web projects, they're optimized for Chromium-based browsers and may not fully support Safari or Firefox. 2. Learning curve. With so many new features, there might be a learning curve for new users or those transitioning from other IDEs. 3. Cost. While Windsurf offers a lot of value, the Flow Action Credit system might be a concern for users on tight budgets. Early stage. Some features like MCP discoverability are still evolving and may not be as polished as more established tools. Who is Windsurf? Wave 4.4. Windsurf Wave 4 is perfect for developers who want to streamline their workflow and reduce friction, teams looking for an enterprise-ready AI native IDE, AI enthusiasts who want to leverage the latest advancements in AI-assisted coding. If you're tired of manual steps and want to stay in the flow state, Windsurf Wave 4 is worth checking out. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, the world of coding is evolving faster than ever, and tools like Windsurf Wave 4 are leading the charge. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, we're here to keep you informed and inspired. Until next time, keep coding, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.